Hello everybody, welcome to All Things Airgun. I'm going to be participating in the Airgun Depot Airgun Dart Challenge. As you can see, there are no darts in this board yet. And I also have a secondary camera for close-up action. The tape measure is protruding under the table a bit because the dart board is back on the table a little bit. And this right here is 15 feet. Now I'll be a little further back than that. About right here, about 16 feet, but within regulation. This should be a good enough angle to see both me and the dartboard simultaneously. And I'll be shooting the Beeman P17. Okay, ready? There you go. That was 6 darts, and I believe that was far less than 3 minutes. Now let's see how I did. We have, come on, focus. 1 triple 20. 2 triple 20s. Oh, come on, I can't get that out of there. Maybe if I do this one. But that's 3 triple 20s. Oh, that's in there good. 2 double 20s. Oh, I'm sorry, no. That was a single double 20 and a single 20. And a 1. So that would be 180 for 3 triple 20s. 40 more, which is 220 for the double 20. A single 20, which brings us to 240, and a 1. So that is 241 points. Thanks for watching. That was fun.